Last week, I showed you how Japan loves fish. That's why they have the world's largest fish market. You know, a place that sells fish. Little did I know, fish is a sensitive topic, and this turned into a huge backlash.
You should be ashamed of yourself, asshole, murderer, go vegan!
Look, you are right. In a few years, I'll probably become vegetarian myself, simply because we don't need meat to survive. But what humans also don't need is for you to vilify, guilt trip, and make them sound like murderers simply for eating what you don't eat. There is nothing wrong with your mission, but there is something wrong with the way you try to achieve it. Tell me how meat hurts the planet, tell me how vegetables are healthier, tell me how this is unsustainable. But don't tell me I'm an asshole for not having the same conviction as you do. Humans can survive without meat, but humans cannot survive without each other. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.